Just stand up. Okay, guys. Okay, so like this. Oh hi Kangaroo. So guys, it had been so long कि मैंने ऐसे 1-to-1 वाली conversation वाली वीडियो बनाई है. I'm so excited for this. So I have decided कि अब तक जो भी मेरा कॉलेज का एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, like it has been like 3 years of my bachelor's, 2 years of my master's, and I'm still continuing for my B.Ed. So जो भी मेरा ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, how to maintain your college and how to maintain your outfits and fit everything. So I'm decided कि मैं उन सब पे एक सीरीज बनाऊँ so that it can help new girlies, new people how to slay in college. So anyways, today's topic is like a little different. I'm just going to talk about like my skin care as well as my hair care. So yeah, let's start it. Okay, and guys, look what I have. Labubu clips. So I was just going and moving around like this my local market, and I saw these Labubus. So I decided to purchase them and put it in my hair. And it looks so cute, isn't it? Oh god, yeah, perfect. So that we can just we can have like proper skin care. So भाई सबसे पहले बात आती है skin care and glow up की. We talk about. So सबसे पहले सबसे best glow up आता है. It's like with your self love. So the more you love yourself, the more you will glow. So anyways, let's start. So you need little cotton, and the best thing I love about that this estrogen. ख़त्म हो गया थोड़ा सा. मतलब भाई दिस इज़ सो गुड. एवरी गर्ली मस्ट हैव. एंड जैसे आप अपने कॉलेज से आते हो या फिर अपने and put it in the cotton and simply just revolve around your face, around your neck. तो इससे क्या होगा, जो भी आपके दिन भर की गंदगी आपके फेस पे जमा हो जाती है सारी आपकी हट जाएगी. इट विल बी लाइक सो गुड and your skin will be like protected from all the dirt, I can say. And let me just show you how it looks. See, abhi gardan pe it doesn't look like that there is dirt, but when I'll show you, so that is, so it's like it will just take out all the dirt from your body and you will glow, girlies. As well as like yeah, office aunties and everyone can use it, but this is so good. And it has been like from my bachelor's I'm using this product and it's too good. You guys, पता है मेरी जो बहन है ना, सॉरी कनिका, आई नो तू फिर गुस्सा करने वाली है, बट भाई वो लेजिट पूरे अपने शरीर पे, बिकॉज शी वियर स्कर्ट इन हर स्कूल, सो वो पूरे शरीर पे ऐसे 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 रात में मतलब पूरा अपना शरीर इससे क्लीन करती है. एंड वी हैड लाइक अ बिग बॉटल एट आवर होम so that my sis can clean herself. After that, yeah, let's take another product now and let me just show you guys how dirty I am. So we are done with cleansing and now we come across D10. D10, it's like this ozone D10 and it's very good. Again, it has been like 3 years I'm using this, which is too good, and it will just make like your face very glowy and थोड़ा सा जलन होगा but it will be fine. सो ये आप अपने मतलब जैसे आप वीकेंड पे फ्री हो कभी भी यू हैव टाइम, सो जस्ट अप्लाई, है ना. हफ्ते में एक बार तो आप D10 कर सकते हो भाई. आप कहीं भी लोकल उन पे जाते हो सैलॉन वगैरह पे, वो 200-300 रुपये से तो कम क्या ही लेता है. इससे बढ़िया है जस्ट परचेज दिस. आई गिव यू द लिंक. इट्स टू गुड. Okay guys, so meanwhile it get dried, don't use your phone. Now instead just use any of your lotion, take it in your hands and simply just rub it. उसे अपने nails पे लगाओ ऐसे. Just make your just make your nails look beautiful. मतलब भाई एक चीज़ और मैंने नोटिस करी कि the more you love yourself, the more you give time to yourself, the more you glow. And किसी के पीछे भागना, किसी से उम्मीदें रखना, which is too bad. Like if I talk about Osho, and he was a very good motivational speaker, and according to him it was like that whatever you wish, do it and never expect anything from anyone, and which is very true. That expectations kills yourself, like it will kill you from inside. It's like that, don't keep. If I talk about like if I want to have burger, so I can't demand it from others ki I want burger and I'll say that oh my god will send somebody and I'll just have burger. No. Just stand up, just put efforts go out and have the fucking burger. That's it. And इसे लगाने के बाद इतना बकबक नहीं करना है, so चुप हो जाते हैं. After like इसे 10 मिनट बाद just go and wash your face and yeah, let me come. Just use clean towels and always use good pillow covers, clean pillow covers, clean towels to wash your face. Sorry, to clean your face because germs रह जाते हैं. Anyways, now let's move on, guys, and make sure keep hydrating yourself. ऐसे एस्थेटिक से बॉटल लेके रखोगे तो ज़्यादा पानी पीने का मन करेगा. Yes, I'm just a girl. For that, you can say that. Yeah, now let's move on. So another product that we are going to use, that is Ever Youth का Golden Peel Off Mask, which is very budget friendly. मैं सारे budget friendly products बता रही हूँ because मैं भी वही use करती हूँ. No need to show कि भाई आपको 800 वाला product ही चाहिए just to have a good skin. Now, budget में you can slide goals. So yeah, let's. Meanwhile, guys, आपका ये फेस का आप लगा दोगे. You have to leave it for 10 minutes जब तक वो stretchy ना हो जाए. Yeah, let's do hair care then. सबसे best है just take a bowl. Any shampoo can work. The best way to wash your hairs before then. From your aesthetic bottle, just take little water. Now the main part. If you have any oil means I have like this parachute jasmine oil, but if you have like olive oil, that is too good, so just add on. Remove these aesthetic clips and then partition your hair like this. Take it, apply it. सारे बालों में पार्टीशन करते जाओ. इसे ऐसे थोड़ा रब इट लाइक दिस. इससे क्या होगा, आपके जो भी डैंड्रफ होगा, वीक हेयर्स होंगे, सब चीज़ इट विल बी लाइक रिकवरिंग. You can watch some series, so go it because I'm also going. Guys, so now it's time over of your series. Let's get back to skincare. So देखो ये आपको ये सूखने लगा होगा. इसे हल्के तरीके से ऐसे निकालना शुरू करो. It will just like peel off like this. Okay guys, after that just wash your face. See how better it looks. धूप भी नहीं है फिर भी face is looking better. Now if you have like coffee mask at your home, like not coffee mask, if you have like coffee at your home, just simply take it. But I have this I'm caffeine this coffee mask and it's too good. बाकी आप अपने मर्जी से घर में कॉफ़ी भी ले सकते हो. सारा प्रोडक्ट करने के बाद we will use coffee as a scrubber. उससे क्या होगा, आपके जो भी माइन्यूट पार्टिकल्स रह गए होंगे, जो भी ओपन पोर्स हैं, उसमें जो भी गंदगी रह गई होगी, इट विल बी वैनिश ऑफ. सो या जस्ट take it dry only and rub it on your face like this. Is this, rub it like this. You can follow like this simple procedure for under eye like this. Make your fingers like this. इससे क्या होगा, आपके जो भी डार्क सर्कल्स है वो चले जाएंगे. फोरहेड पे जो स्ट्रेच आ जाता है वो, cheekbones, around lips, your down line आनी चाहिए. And जब भी आप सुबह उठो या फिर रात में सो, just take the hand and उसे ऐसे करके ब्लड सर्कुलेशन आपका फेस का होता रहना चाहिए. Hey guys, so अब जल्दी से हम लोग हेयर वॉश करके आते हैं. After that I'll just show you how to take care. Okay guys, so I'm done with bathing and all, and now उसके बाद like after skin care, मतलब आफ्टर बाथिंग स्किन केयर कुछ नहीं, बहुत सिंपल रखेंगे. बेसिक सा लोशन लगा लो, फिर उसके बाद just use this lip balm to protect and hydrate your lips. हमेशा regularly hydrate your lips. After that, for your mouth, just use this peppermint. That's it. And as a serum, just use this Deconstruct Retinol and Peptide Serum, which is too good, and it will just hydrate your skin. जो भी स्किन में आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं सब चीज़ को हील अप करेगा. It's too good. And yeah, that's it. You're good to go. See, this is like without filter, and how pretty it looks. It's just like that you have to smile, be happy, and have self-love. That's it. So yeah, that's it for the vlog. And अब मैं proper और भी आपको ideas वगैरह दिया करूँगी how to slay in college. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Like, share and subscribe.